I want to convert the circle to an arc. I think this thickness is better. Let me open this up a bit. Alright, that's perfect. So how do you create this effect? You are going to duplicate this into 3 to cause your interaction effect. You can do this outside the Canva if you wish, outside your design Canva. Let me take it out. I'm using dark screen mode. I just wanted something that you can see. I hope you'll be able to see this. Let me just increase my brightness a bit. Alright. So once you have these 3 stuff like so, the next thing you want to do is to frame them. I even prefer you frame. Okay, I'll select this, right click, frame selection. I'll select this other guy. Before I do that, let me tilt it. Alright, no. Alright, click and frame selection also. I'll select this guy. I want to move the starting point to this way. Alright, click, frame selection. So I have 3 different frames, and the goal is to create that interaction effect. So I'm going to prototype it now. But if I do that, I will make them a component set. Not component to components. I click on this small dot here. I create component sets. So they are one component, but it's just like creating variants, something like that. So I'll call this LOADIN, the loading circle. So this is the prototype now. I'll go to prototype, click on the first frame. If you don't frame this, you might not get it right. So ensure you frame your circle. So I'm going to drag it to this frame and set, instead of on click, I'll put it at after delay. After delay is the catch. It's on 800, I'll give it 20. I'll put it on smart animate, then select ease in and out. Then this other one, I'll just leave it at 250. I'll do same here. Select second frame, drag to the next frame. The goal is once this time it gets to this 20 seconds, it will change to the other one. You understand? It's going to change smartly. That's why I'm setting to smart animate. So I'm going to drag this one back to the first frame after delay and ease out and into 50, 20. So that's that. You also notice that the loading is also doing that dot dot dot. So I'll create something like that also very quickly. I'll get my loading text. Text loading, LOADING. Of course, it's going to be black. Just set it to black. 7 to 6 places. Okay, the first one, I'm going to give it 2 dots. Then I'll duplicate it and alternate. I'll give the next one 3 dots so that I have that changing effects. I'll make this on 4. So what I'm going to do next now is I'm going to frame each of them. I'll right click and frame. Sorry, I highlight first, right click, frame. The reason why we're framing is because we want to create a component set from them. So I'm trying to just put it in a frame. So once I'm done, you can see frame 8, 7, and 9, right? I'll select all of them and create a component set. not component to component set. So I'm going to prototype again, but this time I'm going to increase the timing. So I'll keep this after delay, I'll keep this to 100, but the rest can be the same. Smart animate is that is into 50. I'll do same here, drag it to the third frame after delay, change it from 800 to 100. The reason I'm using 100 is because it's a text. I don't want it to be too fast. I'll do same here, drag this back to the first frame after delay, set it to 100, and I'll call this text, no, loading effect, no, text loading. You can give it any name you want. I'm just using this one. So the next thing I'll do now is I've created my component sets, both the circle and the text. I'll go to my asset and get them. So the first one is loading circle, right, which is this. The next one is text loading. So the idea is after delay, it's moved from this 2 dot to 3 dot, from this one to 4 dot and back like that to have this effect. You can see it, right? So the next thing is to set it up, get a screen. I'll still use the same screen. I'll just take this one out. This is one that is currently playing. So I'll just take it out and bring this one in. So we have something like that. Let's check out our prototype. And that's it. So let me reload. When you make changes, you reload to check out what you've done. All right. Just give it like 2 more seconds. Okay, it's up. Voila, you can see it, right? So this is how you create your loading micro interaction effect. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you are just joining, please subscribe for more videos like this. Subscribe, like, and comment. You can also comment on the next video you want me to do, or any topic you want me to handle. I'm going to look at it and handle. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.